These are two custom desks. This is the Flyaway, and that is the Beaumont. Custom coffee table. This one right here has been blackened. Still got to get clear coated. Very nice product. Custom tabletop. This one also has been blackened. And depending on what type of formula they're using, the colors change up. It all depends on, what formula they're using, but it turns out pretty smooth. These are the custom tabletops. This is a bookshelf, custom bookshelf. Everything is made out of steel and aluminum and stainless. So we deal with all of those three alloys. This is a tabletop. This one right here has been done. Look at them colors in there. That's pretty neat. So it's different table designs. And then it's also different planters. Different tabletops, different table legs. Different designs that need to be assembled. These are fire pits. And all of these get the look rusted look. It gets sprayed, turn the rusted type of. Some of them get powder coated, which when it comes to the planters, this square and this here is a planter. Some planters get rusted, some of them get powder coated. It just all depends if it's made out of aluminum or stainless or what the customer wants. Crafted alloy. Concepts made out of steel. Hold on.